While everyone's chasing the same old online businesses and crypto fads, a quiet revolution is happening in garages and small warehouses all over the world. A new wave of millionaires isn't being built with code, but with cold, hard machines. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 40 of these fortune-building machines that you've probably never heard of, and reveal how they're making people seriously rich in 2025. Forget everything you think you know about getting rich. For the past decade, it's all been about digital gold rushes, drop shipping, social media marketing, a million app ideas. But as those fields get more crowded than a subway car at rush hour, the smartest entrepreneurs are looking somewhere else. They're looking at something tangible, something real. They're plugging into a hidden industrial revolution powered by physical machines that solve real-world problems. And no, this isn't about building some soul-crushing massive factory. This is about micro-manufacturing, slick automation, and specialized production you can run from a small workshop or even a two-car garage. The combination of AI, robotics, and accessible machinery has blown the doors open on markets that used to be impossible for the little guy to get into. We're talking about the power to create, build, and sell physical products at scale with profit margins that would make most online gurus turn green with envy. So, if you're tired of the digital rat race and you're ready to see where real, tangible wealth is being built, stick with me. We're about to pull back the curtain. I've grouped these 40 game changers into 5 categories, from green tech to advanced manufacturing. Let's get into it. Section 1. The local production powerhouses. First up, let's talk about the machines that are turning regular people into local manufacturing heroes. These aren't giant multi-million-dollar assembly lines. They're compact, efficient, and surprisingly affordable machines that pump out everyday items your community is already buying. The secret sauce is simple. You cut out the middleman, the insane shipping costs, and the supply chain nightmares, and you sell directly to a hungry local market. 1. The automatic paper bag machine. With plastic bag bans becoming the norm, the demand for paper bags is through the roof. For an investment of around $12,000, a semi-automatic machine can churn out up to 30,000 branded bags a day. Suddenly, local boutiques, cafes, and farmers markets are your new best friends. It's a profitable, eco-friendly business right from your workshop. 2. The cold oil press machine. Health-savvy consumers are shelling out big money for cold-pressed oils. A compact cold oil press can cost as little as $2,000 and lets you turn things like sesame seeds or walnuts into high-end artisanal oils. Better yet, the leftover seed cake can be sold as animal feed. That's 2 income streams from one machine. 3. The sock knitting machine. The custom apparel world is huge, but everyone's obsessed with t-shirts. Meanwhile, socks are a wide-open field. Thus, a fully automated sock knitting machine can produce hundreds of pairs a day with any design you can dream up. You can sell to local sports teams, for corporate events, or just build your own quirky online brand. With barely any labor involved, the profits are fantastic. 4. The fresh pasta making machine. The craving for fresh, authentic food is never going away. A commercial-grade pasta extruder lets you create gourmet pasta to sell to local restaurants, farmers markets, and specialty food shops. By offering unique shapes and flavors, you build a premium brand that the dusty stuff in a box just can't touch. 5. The aluminum foil container press. Every single restaurant, caterer, and meal prep service relies on these things. For just a few $1,000s, a container press can be set up in a tiny space, turning rolls of aluminum into sellable food trays. Swap out the molds, and you can create different shapes and sizes, becoming the go-to supplier for your entire local food scene. 6. The liquid soap bottling machine. Soap and detergent are about as recession-proof as it gets. A small-scale liquid bottling machine lets you buy a soap base in bulk, add your own fancy scents or branding, and bottle it up. These machines are a breeze to operate and give you a low-cost entry into the massive market for household essentials. 7. The spiral potato fries machine. For all you food entrepreneurs, this one is basically a license to print money. A simple, cheap spiral potato fry machine turns a 50-cent potato into a $5 eye-catching snack that people line up for at street fairs, festivals, and food truck parks. It's a simple, cash flow positive business you can start this weekend. 8. The candle making machine. Candles aren't just for blackouts anymore. They're essential home decor. And while handmade candles are nice, A semi-automated candle making machine lets you scale up big time. You can produce incredibly consistent, high-quality scented candles for your Etsy shop, local gift stores, or corporate clients with profit margins that often top 50%. Section 2, the Titans of Advanced Manufacturing. All right, let's level up. This category is for those who want to play on the cutting edge. Advanced manufacturing is being rocket-fueled by AI and robotics, making things faster, cheaper, and more precise than ever. These machines are literally building the future, and the people running them are building fortunes. 9. Collaborative robots, or cobots. Unlike old-school industrial robots locked away in cages, cobots are designed to work right next to people. They take over the boring, repetitive, or back-breaking tasks in assembly, packaging, or quality control. Because they're affordable and easy to program, they've become a secret weapon for small and medium-sized businesses looking to boost productivity. 10. 3D metal printers, additive manufacturing. We've all heard of plastic 3D printing. Metal 3D printing is its big brother, who joined the Special Forces. These machines create incredibly complex, high-strength parts for aerospace, medical implants, and high-performance cars. Owning one means you can serve top-tier clients who need custom parts on demand without the ridiculous wait times of traditional manufacturing. 11. CNC wood lathe machines. Custom furniture and woodworking are having a major comeback. A CNC wood lathe is like having a master carver on staff who works 24/7. It automatically carves stunningly intricate designs in wood, letting you produce everything from custom table legs to art pieces with flawless precision, serving a high-end market that pays for quality. 12. Plastic injection molding machine. Just look around you right now. Almost everything has custom plastic parts in it. A small-scale injection molding machine lets you be the person who makes those parts. You melt down plastic pellets and inject them into custom molds to produce anything from electronic casings to toy components for other businesses. 13. Automated wire harness assembly machine. Every car, appliance, and electronic gadget has a spider web of wires inside. This machine automates the tedious job of cutting, stripping, and bundling those wires with incredible speed. It positions you as a vital supplier to the booming electronics and automotive industries. 14. Filter cartridge maker machine. Clean air and water aren't optional. This machine produces the filters used in water purifiers, HVAC systems, and cars. It precisely pleats and bonds the filter material automatically, letting you supply a massive, ever-growing market that's all about health and safety. 15. Small-scale robotic welding machine. Welding is a tough skill, but robotic welders are making it faster and more consistent. These compact robot arms can perform perfect welds around the clock. For small metal fabrication shops, this is a total game changer, allowing them to take on bigger jobs with guaranteed quality. 16. Humanoid robots. Okay, this is the final frontier. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are putting actual humanoid robots to work in factories. While buying one of these might be out of reach for now, the smart money is flowing into the companies that build them. Plus, a whole new ecosystem of service businesses is popping up to program, maintain, and deploy these robots. All right, we're halfway through, and my guess is your mind is already racing with ideas. If you're getting value out of this, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We put out videos like this all the time, packed with business ideas and insights you just won't find anywhere else. Don't miss the next one. Now back to the machines. Section 3, the Green Revolution machines. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's one of the biggest economic opportunities of our lifetime. People and governments are demanding greener solutions, and these machines are on the front lines turning eco-friendly ideas into seriously profitable businesses. 17. Biodegradable tableware machine. Single-use plastics are on their way out. This machine takes things like sugarcane pulp or bamboo and molds them into eco-friendly plates, bowls, and containers. With the food delivery industry being what it is, the demand is absolutely massive. 18. Recycled plastic lumber machine. This is a true trash to treasure machine. It takes plastic waste that would have ended up in a landfill, melts it down, and spits out ultra durable planks of plastic lumber. This stuff is then sold for decking, fences, and outdoor furniture. You're literally turning garbage into cash. 19. Organic fertilizer production machine. As farming shifts away from harsh chemicals, the market for organic fertilizer has exploded. A fertilizer granulator takes compost and other organic waste and turns it into nutrient-rich pellets. This lets you sell a premium product to farms, nurseries, and home gardeners. 20. Direct air capture, DAC units. This is where sustainability gets really high-tech. AC machines are designed to literally suck carbon dioxide out of the air, while the huge plants are massive projects. Smaller, modular units are coming online. Entrepreneurs are building businesses that not only capture carbon, but also use it to create things like carbon-negative concrete or synthetic fuels. 21. Advanced wind turbine technology. Think beyond giant wind farms. Startups are creating smaller, sleeker, more efficient turbines for cities and even individual homes. The business here isn't just selling the turbines, it's creating a full-service green energy company that handles installation, maintenance, and grid integration. 22. Solar panel recycling machine. Solar panels have a lifespan of about 25 years, and the first big wave of them is starting to expire. A specialized recycling machine can carefully pull apart old panels and separate the valuable materials like silver, copper, and silicon. This is a classic picks and shovels play on the green revolution, solving a huge future problem for a profit today. 23. Pyrolysis machine. This machine is wild. It uses an oxygen-free, high-temperature process to break down waste like old tires and plastics. It converts that waste into valuable stuff like bio-oil, which can be used as fuel, and char, which can be used to improve soil. It's a powerful way to turn a waste stream into a revenue stream. 24. Foam tray making machine. These machines produce the foam trays you see in every supermarket meat and produce aisle. And while foam has a bad rap, companies are now using these machines with recycled and biodegradable materials to meet market demand more sustainably. The sheer volume needed by the food industry makes this an incredibly stable business. Section 4. The automated agriculture revolution. Farming is one of the oldest jobs in the world, but right now it's going through a massive tech upgrade. Labor shortages and the need to be more efficient are driving a huge push into automation. These machines are making farming smarter, more productive, and way more profitable. 25. Autonomous tractors. Companies like John Deere are rolling out tractors that can plow, plant, and spray fields almost entirely on their own. While one farmer might not buy a whole fleet, savvy entrepreneurs are starting farming-as-a-service businesses using autonomous gear to manage land for multiple clients, cutting labor costs and boosting yields. 26. Roto seed drills. This clever machine combines a tiller with a seed drill, meaning a farmer can prep the soil and plant seeds in one single pass. It's a massive time and fuel saver. You could start a business offering custom seeding services to local farms, covering huge areas with speed and precision. 27. Drone crop sprayers. Forget doing it by hand. Large, powerful drones can now spray crops with pinpoint accuracy. They use GPS to hit only the areas that need it, cutting down on chemical use and preventing soil damage from heavy tractors. A business with a fleet of these drones could service an entire agricultural region. 28. Robotic harvesters. Picking fruit is tough, delicate work. That's why robotic harvesters, equipped with AI vision and gentle grippers, are being developed to pick everything from strawberries to apples. These things can work 24/7, solving one of the single biggest labor headaches in farming. 29. Automated irrigation systems. Modern irrigation uses sensors to check soil moisture and weather forecasts, delivering the perfect amount of water exactly when it's needed. Companies that design and install these smart systems for farms are creating huge value by saving water and improving crop health. 30. Livestock monitoring sensors. Think of it as a Fitbit for a cow. These ear tags or collars track an animal's health, activity, and location in real time. This data helps farmers spot sickness early and optimize breeding. The real business is in selling and managing the data platforms that make this all work. 31. Vertical farming systems. Why use acres when you can use cubic feet? Vertical farming grows crops in stacked layers indoors. While a whole farm is a huge investment, companies are making a killing manufacturing and selling the modular systems, the racks, the LED lights, the hydroponic gear that make it all possible. 32. Manure spreader. It doesn't sound glamorous, but it's absolutely vital. A modern manure spreader isn't just flinging stuff around. It's a precision machine that distributes natural fertilizer perfectly. Owning one lets you offer a critical service to livestock farms, helping them manage waste and fertilize their fields. Section 5. The next-gen service and logistics machines. This last category is all about the backbone of our economy, services and logistics. We all want things faster and more customized, and a new generation of machines is rising to meet that demand. These machines are automating services and making the movement of goods seamless. 33. Automated vending machines. Forget the dusty old snack machines. Today's vending machines are basically refrigerated, internet-connected storefronts. They can sell fresh salads, hot pizza, electronics, you name it. Find a high-traffic spot for a niche machine, and you've got a nearly passive income stream. 34. Autonomous delivery robots. Those little six-wheeled robots are already delivering groceries and takeout on college campuses and in cities. While giants like Amazon build their own, a huge ecosystem is growing around them. Businesses are popping up to manage local fleets, create routing software, and be the last-mile delivery partner for local stores. 35. Mobile laser cleaning machine. This is a high-tech service business you can run out of a van. A compact laser cleaner instantly strips rust, paint, and grime from metal without damaging it. It's perfect for car restoration, industrial cleaning, or historical preservation. For a relatively small investment, you can start a high-demand mobile business. 36. 3D wall printing machine. Imagine printing the walls of a house in just a few days. That's what's happening. Large-scale 3D printers are extruding concrete layer by layer, slashing construction time and labor costs. The construction companies that adopt this tech are gaining an almost unfair advantage. 37. Self-service car washes. It's a classic for a reason. The self-service car wash is still a reliable wealth builder. With modern payment systems and durable, low-maintenance equipment, a well-placed car wash can run 24/7 with almost no one there, providing a steady, predictable cash flow. 38. Automated barista machine. High-end, fully automated espresso machines can now make incredible, complex coffee drinks with just a button press. They're being installed in offices, luxury apartments, and airports. The business model is brilliant. Place the machine for free and take a cut of every single high-margin coffee it sells. 39. Shrink wrap packing machine. For any e-commerce business, packing is a huge time suck. An automated shrink wrap machine can professionally seal products in seconds, making them look retail ready. You could start a local service that handles all the packaging for small online sellers in your area. 40. Robotic surgical assistants. In healthcare, surgical robots are giving doctors superhuman precision, allowing for less invasive surgeries. Now, you're not buying one for your garage, but this points to a massive area of investment. The companies that make them and the technicians who service them are part of a multi-billion-dollar industry that's changing medicine and creating staggering wealth. CTA. So there you have it. 40 real physical machines that are creating fortunes for people smart enough to look past the digital hype. The opportunities are out there, in your community, in new industries, and in the tangible world all around us. Now I have to ask you, which of these machines blew your mind the most? Is there a category you want me to do a deep dive on? Drop a comment below and let me know. Your feedback genuinely helps us decide what to make next. And if you want to be the first to know when we drop our next video, where we'll break down the step-by-step business plan for the top 5 machines on this list, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell on. Conclusion: the message today is simple. While one world is busy chasing clicks and followers, another is building actual empires with gears, circuits, and steel. The Industrial Revolution never ended. It just got smaller, smarter, and more accessible to everyone. The new wave of wealth is being built by people who make things, fix things, and automate the real world. The only question is, will you be one of them?